Here I have BLACKVIEW A70, and today I'm going to show you how to change date and time settings on this device. So firstly, let's open settings, then go to the system section, date and time. If you want to set up your date and time manually, you have to firstly disable feature use network provided time. Here you can change your date, here you can change your time. You can also change your time zone by disabling use network provided time zone here. And you can also change your time format from 24-hour to 12-hour. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.